What's up guys, Senjay. If you don't know, now you know. So today, I'm gonna be breaking down a song called Ngi'sexy by myself, Pushkin and Sykes. So basically here it's like a combo of Riani and some African element, you know what I mean? So yeah, let's get to it. So basically this is the African, Western African sound without the guitars, you know what I mean? So basically I decided to actually draw the melody and play around with them, and play around with the sounds, just mix up the sounds so it can sound more real. So yeah, basically this is how it actually sounds. And obviously, with a bit of more percussion, you know what I mean? It doesn't sound like how it actually started, so it's like a build-up. The guitar needs just a little bit of support, so obviously I added a bit of like chords, The guitar can't just play alone the whole way, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is how it actually it sounds. So basically here, I added it's basically like a bass, but it's like the first bass, just to add more atmosphere to this African sound that I'm talking about. It should sound more like Makaya, you know what I mean? But people, if you know what I'm talking about, you know Makaya. So this is before the hectic part where the Riani actually comes in. And already by this time, Pushkin has already laced his like verse and chorus already now, you know what I mean? After here, that's where the Riani starts. Now we're leaving the African thingy, now we're about to dance and everything like that, you know what I mean? So basically, these are the layers. With Riani, there's like you don't use just one bass. You use more than one bass preset, basically. So this is what actually happened here, I didn't want it to just be, mid. I wanted to actually grow, like from how it started to where we're at right now, we're still going up. So that's actually what happened. I added more elements to make it move, you know what I mean? Going there, we're just going to the break. We're just going to take some break a little bit, from dancing. Now we're going back to that African feel. Now we're going back to the roots, Makaya. If you don't know Makaya, you must check it out. But yeah. And then this is where Pushkin is coming back with the chorus. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much the whole song. That's the breakdown of the whole song, the Riani and the fusion of African, flavor, Makaya. So yeah, please do check the song. Please go stream the song. It's on 1.2 million streams. Let's take it to 2M. Let's go. Let's take it to the top. So please follow me, guys, on all my socials. Senjay _ZA. So yeah, man. Signing out.